Hello everyone. Today's topic is why is electric current called as the flow of positive charges? We know that positive charges means protons, and we also know that protons remain fixed in the nucleus and don't move until there are some nuclear reactions. So let's see some reasons that why current's direction is conventionally taken opposite to that of flow of electrons. So let's see the first reason. Discovery of current. Current was discovered by Sir Benjamin Franklin in 1752 by his famous kite and key experiment. At this stage, there was a strong belief in God, and it was believed that most of the natural occurring things were pure, and electricity had occurred in thunderstorm, and so it was believed that it should be a pure substance, a pure source of energy, something which is made of which is God's entity, or most specifically saying that electric current would be flow of something positive. Yes, some positive charges. And as water, wind, and most of the natural occurring things were believed to go from or were said to go from a higher concentration to a lower concentration, electric current was also believed to go from a positive or a high potential to a low potential. But the problem to the flow of current or the flow of positive charges came when electrons were discovered. Electrons were discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson in the year 1897. The question was if electrons flow and protons remain fixed in the nucleus, then it means all the experiments, all the discoveries made using electricity were wrong. Millions of dollars had been spent on this project. Was everything a failure? The answer to this was a big no. Because all of this information were wrong, then all the laws and rules of electricity made by that time would have been proved wrong mathematically, but it was not. Here came the knowledge of scalar and vector quantities. Yes, electricity was a scalar quantity, and so direction did not matter. Let us see a clip where we could get to understand how conventionally or how practically electricity can also be seen as a flow of positive content, some positive charges. Let's see it. Okay, so let us see that how does a positive charge is displaced from one point to another. Now let us assume that this is a positive charge here. There's a positive content. What does it mean whenever I say there is a positive content here? There is less electron here or a less negative charge here. So this has created a a positive charge from a neutral content. Now let us see what will happen when an electron is shifted from this position to here and simultaneously like this. Let's see it. This electron is being transferred to here. Another positive charge is created here. Now similarly, if this electron comes to here, another positive charge comes here. This electron transfer here, positive charge created here, and finally this last electron transferred here, positive charge came here. Now what can I see here? At the beginning the positive charge at this end, and now it is at this end. So can I see that positive charge has been displaced from this point to this point? Yes, you may say that actually a positive charge has not moved from this point to this point, but due to the flow of electrons from this point to this point, a positive charge, a positive content has flowed from this point to this point. So by this way we can say that a current is flowing when there is a flow of protons. Thank you.